Hello, my name is Jocelyn Moorhouse and I'm a screenwriter, author, director and storyteller. What I love about the work I do in film and television is sharing stories. Today I'm reading a story about a cast of friendly and fun kids who invite their friends over to their house to play. There's fun to be had, food to eat, games to play. However, each house does things a little differently from the others. Maybe your family is similar to one of the families in this story. Come over to my house. Written by Eliza Hull and Sally Rippin, and illustrations by Daniel Gray-Barnett. Come over to my house. Come over and play. I'll show you around. You can stay the whole day. We'll swing on the swing set and splash in the pool. Then I'll race you inside where my bedroom is cool. If we get hungry, I'll make you a treat. There are snacks in the pantry. You're welcome to eat.